Welcome back, everybody. Oh, wait, no, hold on. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Shut the fuck up. Today we're playing. Sorry, I'm used to streaming. I'm not used to making vlogs, so that's why I'm being weird. Anyways, today we're trying Doritos wild white nachos. I assume they're like nacho cheese, maybe similar, but I can't actually tell. So let's try them. Wait, hold on. Let's get the view. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice looking. Yo, they taste like normal nacho cheese. There's a little difference. Maybe it's a little bit less cheesy, but that's about it. Yeah, not much. I'll rate these 9 out of 10. No, fuck, I'll rate it 10 out of 10. Normal classic nacho cheese. Mostly. Yep, that's it.